Hello everyone, it's Professor Natalie here to discuss onboarding and assimilation. A quick review. We just wrapped up a week on the selection process, including a segment on testing and background checks. This week we'll discuss the last piece of the puzzle in bringing on a new employee: orientation, onboarding, and assimilation. Orientation is the planned introduction of new employees to their jobs, coworkers, and the organization, and it achieves several purposes. It establishes a favorable impression. It provides the organization and job information to the newbie. It enhances interpersonal acceptance by coworkers, accelerates socialization and integration, and ensures that employees' performance and productivity begin more quickly. When they know what they're expected of or what's expected of them, and when they know the players on their team and who to go to for information, they're more apt to get off on a quick start. Here are elements of effective onboarding. You need to establish clear goals, know what the new hires want, start before day one on the job. In other words, let's arm them with some information on what to expect. Provide multiple short sessions of onboarding. So instead of having one long day of 4 to 8 hours, why not have a couple hours each day for the first week? And then we create connections and networks. We introduce, for onboarding, it's the process of introducing people to each other and who to go to for what information. This process is done by the department, usually not HR. The department is the one responsible for onboarding while HR handles orientation. We should always evaluate our onboarding. Evaluation metrics include the tenure turnover rate, the new hire failure rate, the employee upgrade rate. So that means if a new person is coming in, what their performance is versus the person who had left. And development program participation. So when we bring a new person in, are they part of our development program and are they participating actively? Onboarding a new executive or manager poses specific organizational challenges. A particularly useful technique to help leaders settle into a new role is a new manager or new leader assimilation, a program customized to your culture and organizational needs. Appropriate timing for this is normally 1 to 4 weeks after the manager has joined the organization. The new leader assimilation process facilitates the rapid development of a working relationship between an executive and his or her direct reports. A relationship which can take up to 9 months to develop normally can be achieved in about 9 hours. The effectiveness of this relationship will be based on the degree of shared understanding between the manager and the group, developed through solid communication. This process is aimed at promoting immediate, open communication which is relevant to the manager-employee relationship, speeding up the getting to know you process for both sides. New leader assimilation reduces the fears and anxieties produced by a new relationship and accelerates the development of mutual trust. The new leader assimilation program is typically 1 day long, designed to provide a forum for a new manager and his or her team to develop an early understanding of their respective operating styles, communication patterns, and business priorities, so that they can quickly work together to effectively address critical business needs and issues. The program can be used with equal effectiveness with internal managers taking over a new team or an assignment, or with managers coming in from the outside. With external hires at a management level, the program should be part of a larger new manager assimilation process. In other words, not just this 1 day, 9 hour event. Okay, everyone, assignments for the week include a discussion on onboarding and orientation as you describe your own experience with your current or previous employer. You need to integrate what you read this week to discuss how to improve the process and why it is important. Read the full directions in the discussion area, please. As we wrap up the course, you have 2 reflection assignments, the week 7 and 8 module learning reflection, and then the entire course learning reflection. Pay attention to the course learning reflection as it asks you what you learned, where you learned it, an artifact from part of the course, such as a discussion or a writing assignment, and to explain how it connects to the learning objective topic. Again, more directions are within the assignment. Let me know if you have any questions at all during this final week, and enjoy!